Hi guys, and welcome to Phoenix and the Noms. Today we're going to do something really cool. Sorry about the noise. They're doing construction near my house and we are outside in the backyard. Phoenix, what are we staring at?
We have a solar oven.
Yeah, this is a parabolic oven, kind of like a solar oven. It's called the COOKUP200. And we set it up in the backyard. It's aligned to the sun. I have a black frying pan on it. And let me tell you something, it is hot. We literally just set it up not even 2 minutes ago.
And it was hot.
And it is hot already. So I'm gonna carry you over to how you tell if it's aligned. And this is the coolest thing ever. So if you come over here,
you can see that there is a little flap and you have to put a stick in, and it works best when there is no shadow.
Yeah, so if you see this shadow right here, if we tilt it down, see the shadow getting longer, this one? So you want to tilt it so there's almost no shadow. Okay?
And we have done that.
So it's set, it's ready to go.
And if you turn the camera around so they can see what we are cooking.
And we are going to cook a test sausage.
With oil. Yeah. And an oiled fork.
Yeah, so what I have here is just a chorizo sausage. It is raw. And I poured the olive oil onto the plate already because I'm going to scrape it onto the frying pan.
With nothing.
Well, I dropped my fork in the olive oil, so... Okay.
Roll it around.
Okay, well, I can hear it sizzling.
Yeah.
It's actually sizzling.
Like, what? The sun is strong.
Yeah, the sun is really strong. Now, just a note, don't touch the handles.
With your hands?
With your hands.
You will burn your hands off?
You will, yeah. You have to use some kind of oven mitt.
Like the oven glove.
You see those two red X's?
That's where you put the pan.
You put your pan right on it.
Okay, so the sausage is now cooking. Yeah,
you can actually see it sizzling, hear it sizzling, and it's been cooking for about, I don't know, 8 minutes. It's not even that long, honestly. And I'm gonna flip it. Now, I forgot the fork.
So Mama's using a stick.
I'm gonna use a stick, but hey, whatever works.
The stick of shame.
So we just flip. Whoop. I want to flip it over.
Whoa!
Do you see the brown? How brown it is? Okay, guys, this is cooking with solar, no electricity, not costing you any money on utilities. So we're gonna let it go and see what happens. Okay, guys, we're back again.
The sausage is cooking and we're gonna flip it.
Yeah, we're gonna flip again, and I brought a fork this time.
Not a stick.
And it smells really good.
It does?
It's about 36 degrees Celsius today outside. So we're pretty much getting like maximum sun power. It can go up to 200 degrees, this oven. So I'm gonna give it a flip again.
Good flip.
And see how it goes. Alright. I put him that way because I'm trying to brown him on the third side. I always do it like each side, you know. But you see it jumping and spitting? It's actually cooking.
Somehow.
Isn't this cool? It's the power of the sun. And to clean your reflective rays here, you just have to wipe it down with some cleaning solution and a cloth very gently in case any grease or anything jumps out. So we'll let it go and we'll come back to it.
See you in a little bit. Okay, so we are back with the sausage. It is now probably officially done.
We're gonna flip it and see what we got. All right, let's see if we can do that. Let it cook that way.
We'll be back, and it'll probably be done once we get back.
Okay, guys, we're back.
And now the sausage should be done.
Yeah, pretty sure it's done.
Yup.
It looks done to me.
Hard.
And it's been about an hour, so yes, it's faster at home, but if you have time and again be prepared, you could do it outside. But what I want to show you is that in this time, the shadow has changed. Okay, so the shadow has shifted So you're supposed to lift up the machine and rotate it to follow the sun. But the sausage is cooked anyways. Okay, so we're gonna take the sausage off to check if it's done.
Put it on a plate.
Let's see. Look at that. You can see it's like crispy.
It's actually cooked. Now try it.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it open.
Whoa! Is that cooked on the inside?
Let's see.
Is that cooked?
That's cooked to me, yeah. And it's very hot. I can feel the heat coming off
So
it.
don't eat it yet.
Oh god, it smells so good though. And so there you go. It took about an hour for one.
That's cool.
Again, I apologize for the noise. Let me try it.
Eat it.
Woo! Yeah, it's cooked. Really hot.
That's because of the black pen in
Yeah.
the sun.
So Phoenix is going to use the glove to grab the handle, and we're going to move the frying pan just on the ground for now. Yeah, put it on the ground. Okay, and to turn off the solar oven, it sounds funny, but what you need to do is you need to grab your thing. Okay, so that would be the off position of your COOKUP200.
That's because it's facing down instead of towards the sun.
That's right.